Yeah, hi, I'm Dr. Neha Tyagi. I'm a practicing radiologist in Lilavati Hospital and Holy Family Hospitals in Mumbai, Bandra, and also NM Diagnostics. So I do musculoskeletal ultrasound. I have been doing these ultrasounds since the past couple of years, and I have done a couple of courses in MSK ultrasound. But a platform like PrimeRad is something which nobody should miss out, because the faculty, the teachers, and the kind of exposure we are going to get here is exclusive. All of us have busy schedules, and this program basically offers this kind of schedule for the busy radiologists in day-to-day life, where you don't have to attend the lectures, you don't have to go there. They have lectures provided, the links provided on the laptops, online, phone. You are traveling, you can watch it. You are going to sleep, you can watch it. So it's very convenient for everybody. And I think in a busy life like we all of us have, being doctors, and we have families and a lot of responsibilities, this kind of platform is something which is, I think all of us are grateful for the faculty and entire team. Plus, it is a 4-month kind of timetable which is set in for 4 months, which includes hands-on workshop for 2 full days, which is divided in an upper limb and lower limb. So it's an extensive workshop with a lot of good exposure, and I guess I will recommend this to all of us. This will actually improve the way we look at the MSK ultrasounds, and it will actually improve our capabilities. Thank you so much.